On a quiet October night in 1973, an event unfolded in the skies over Ohio that would perplex experts for decades. This is the story of the Coyne Helicopter Incident, a mysterious encounter challenging our understanding of the unknown. As the helicopter flew its routine patrol, an unexpected presence emerged, a UFO, defying explanation and leaving a lasting impression. Set against rural Ohio, this incident forever altered the perceptions of those involved, sparking endless debate among researchers and skeptics alike. Today, we delve into that enigmatic night to uncover the truth behind this extraordinary occurrence. What happened in the skies that night? How did a routine flight turn into an encounter with the unexplained? Join us as we explore the details, sift through the evidence, and seek to understand this puzzling event. The story of the Coyne Helicopter Incident begins here, inviting you to step into a world where the ordinary meets the extraordinary. Stay with us as we journey deeper into the heart of this mystery, seeking answers that have eluded us for decades. In the heart of Ohio, 1973, a routine training flight took an unexpected turn. Meet Captain Coyne and his crew, seasoned aviators with years of experience. These were not men prone to flights of fancy, yet what they encountered that night defied explanation. As they soared through the night sky, an inexplicable event unfolded before their eyes. Captain Coyne, a man of integrity and precision, led his team with unwavering resolve. His co-pilot, Lieutenant Arrigo Jezzi, and crew members Sergeant John Healy and Specialist First Class Robert Yaniksek each brought their own perspective and expertise to this extraordinary encounter. Their observations were detailed, their experiences vivid, and their credibility undeniable. These first-hand accounts provide a unique window into the mystery that continues to baffle experts and enthusiasts alike. As we delve deeper into their testimony, the intrigue only deepens, setting the stage for an exploration of what truly transpired in the skies over Ohio that fateful night. As the helicopter flew through Ohio's night skies in 1973, something extraordinary unfolded. The crew, led by Captain Coyne, noticed a strange, yet glowing object approaching at incredible speed. This was no ordinary aircraft. Its maneuvers defied the laws of physics as understood by the crew. It hovered silently above them, its lights pulsating with an eerie glow. The object was massive and metallic, its surface smooth and reflective, casting a surreal light over the helicopter. Startled, the crew quickly sprang into action. They attempted evasive maneuvers, but the UFO mirrored their every move with precision and agility that seemed impossible for any known technology of the time. The crew's reactions ranged from awe to fear as they struggled to comprehend what they were witnessing. This encounter was unlike anything they had ever experienced. In the tense moments that followed, the crew communicated with air traffic control, trying to make sense of the situation. But all they received was silence and confusion. The UFO lingered for a few moments more before suddenly ascending into the sky at an unimaginable speed, disappearing from sight as quickly as it had appeared. This mysterious encounter left an indelible mark on the crew. It challenged their understanding of aviation and left them with more questions than answers. As we delve further into this documentary, we explore the investigations and theories that attempt to explain this baffling incident. Join us as we continue to uncover the truths behind this enigmatic event. In Ohio, 1973, an inexplicable event unfolded that would challenge the boundaries of understanding. In this segment, we delve into the exhaustive investigations that followed the Coyne Helicopter Incident. Despite meticulous efforts by governmental and independent investigators, a definitive explanation remains elusive. The incident, shrouded in mystery, has given rise to a myriad of expert opinions and intriguing theories. Yet none have provided the conclusive answers that so many seek. The incident has baffled experts for decades. As we explore these theories, it's evident that the lack of concrete evidence fuels more questions than answers. The helicopter crew's chilling encounter with an unknown object in the night sky continues to be a focal point. This segment captures the essence of human curiosity and the relentless pursuit of truth in the face of the unknown. It invites viewers to ponder the boundaries of our understanding and what lies beyond. As we transition to our next segment, we reflect on how this event has left an indelible mark on history. The Coyne Helicopter Incident has left an indelible mark on both UFO research and aviation. As one of the most compelling encounters of its kind, this event continues to intrigue researchers and aviation experts alike. Its influence extends beyond the mysterious skies of Ohio in 1973, prompting ongoing discussions about aviation safety protocols and the potential need for new approaches. Many regard the incident as a turning point, challenging preconceived notions about unidentified aerial phenomena and their implications for modern aviation. Despite numerous investigations, the true nature of that night's events remains elusive, fueling a sense of mystery that persists to this day. The incident not only sparked curiosity, but also inspired a broader interest in understanding what lies beyond our current knowledge. As we reflect on its legacy, we are reminded of the vast unknowns that still surround us, urging us to continue exploring and questioning. This pivotal chapter in history serves as a testament to the enduring human quest for knowledge and understanding. In our next segment, we delve into the unresolved questions that continue to captivate those who seek answers in the unexplained. As our journey through the Coyne Helicopter Incident draws to a close, we find ourselves enveloped by the mysteries that remain. Despite decades of investigation, the enigma of that night in Ohio still lingers, challenging our understanding of the skies. What truly happened when Captain Coyne and his crew encountered that unidentifiable object? Why did it behave in such inexplicable ways? These questions persist, defying easy answers and beckon us to look deeper into the unknown. The incident has left a mark not only on UFO research, but on the broader field of aviation safety. It urges us to reconsider what we know and what we believe is possible. Perhaps within these unanswered questions lies the key to unlocking new realms of knowledge. As we reflect on this perplexing event, we encourage you to ponder the possibilities and continue the quest for truth. For in the shadows of uncertainty, the spirit of exploration thrives. And so, with more questions than answers, we remain ever vigilant, ever curious, and ever hopeful in our pursuit of understanding.